The DOJ letter highlights something crucial: your constitutional rights. These rights are not just abstract concepts, they are the bedrock of our freedoms and protections. These rights are the foundation of the American legal system. They are enshrined in the Constitution, a document that has guided our nation for centuries, ensuring justice and liberty for all. They protect you from government overreach. This means that the government cannot infringe upon your personal freedoms without due process and just cause. They guarantee your freedom and autonomy. These rights ensure that you have the ability to make choices about your own life, free from undue interference. The Eighth Amendment is particularly relevant here. It serves as a critical safeguard against the abuse of power by prohibiting cruel and unusual punishment. It prohibits cruel and unusual punishment. This means that punishments must be fair, proportionate, and not excessively harsh. Some argue that excessive child support can be considered a form of such punishment. They believe that when child support payments are set too high, it can lead to financial ruin. They argue that it traps people in a cycle of debt. This cycle can be difficult to break, leading to long-term financial instability and hardship. The 14th Amendment is also key. It is a cornerstone of our legal system, ensuring that all citizens are treated equally under the law. It guarantees equal protection under the law. This means that no one should be discriminated against or treated unfairly based on arbitrary factors. This means everyone should be treated fairly by the legal system. Fair treatment is essential for maintaining trust and integrity in our judicial processes. However, many argue that child support laws are often applied unfairly. They point out that the current system can sometimes lead to unjust outcomes. They point to disparities based on income and race. These disparities can result in unequal treatment and perpetuate systemic inequalities.
My story illustrates this constitutional debate. It is a personal journey that sheds light on the broader implications of our legal system. I'm a father who fought my child support case in federal court. My experience is a testament to the challenges faced by many in similar situations. I argued that the child support order against me was unconstitutional. I believe that the order was not only unfair, but also violated my fundamental rights. I believed it violated my 8th and 14th Amendment rights. These amendments are supposed to protect individuals from excessive and unequal treatment. My case, while specific to my circumstances, highlights a larger issue. It brings to the forefront the ongoing debate about the fairness and constitutionality of child support laws. It raises questions about the balance between parental responsibility and individual rights. How do we ensure that child support laws are fair and just for everyone involved? It forces us to examine whether child support laws as they stand truly uphold the Constitution. This examination is crucial for ensuring that our legal system remains just and equitable for all.
The DOJ letter emphasizes the power of affidavits. An affidavit is a written statement you swear is true. It's a powerful legal tool. It allows you to present your side of the story. There are different types of affidavits. You can use them for various purposes related to child support. For instance, you can use an affidavit to challenge the amount you're required to pay. You can also use one to prove you've been making payments consistently.
The main affidavit discussed in the DOJ letter is the one to cancel child support. This affidavit is crucial. It allows you to present evidence that child support is no longer necessary. This could be due to a change in circumstances. For example, the child might have reached adulthood, or the custodial parent might be financially stable now. Affidavits must be detailed and accurate. They should clearly state the facts of your case. They should also include any supporting evidence you have. This could be financial documents, communication records, or anything else relevant.
Section 4. Navigating the courtroom, challenges and strategies. The courtroom can be an intimidating place. The atmosphere is often tense and the stakes can feel incredibly high. The language is formal and complex. Legal documents are filled with terms that are not commonly used in everyday conversation. The procedures can be confusing. There are specific protocols and rules that must be followed, which can be overwhelming for those unfamiliar with the legal system.
It's easy to feel overwhelmed, especially when representing yourself. The pressure to perform well and the fear of making mistakes can be daunting. One of the biggest challenges is understanding legalese. This specialized language is designed to be precise but can be difficult for non-lawyers to grasp. Legal language is full of jargon and technical terms. Words and phrases that have specific meanings in a legal context can be confusing. This can make it difficult to follow what's happening in court. Misunderstanding key terms can lead to confusion and mistakes. It can also make it hard to advocate for yourself effectively. Knowing how to present your case clearly and persuasively is crucial.
Another challenge is dealing with judges. Judges are the authority figures in the courtroom, and their decisions can significantly impact the outcome of your case. Judges have a lot of power in the courtroom. They control the proceedings and make rulings that can affect the direction of the case. They interpret the law and make rulings based on their understanding. Their interpretations can vary, adding another layer of complexity. While most judges strive to be fair, their personal biases can sometimes influence their decisions. It's important to be aware of this potential factor.
Despite these challenges, there are strategies you can use to navigate the courtroom effectively. Preparation and knowledge are your best tools. One is to familiarize yourself with basic legal terms. Understanding the language of the law can help demystify the process. You don't need to become a lawyer, but understanding key concepts will help you understand the proceedings. This can make a significant difference in how you present your case.
Another strategy is to be prepared. Preparation involves more than just knowing your case. It means being ready for anything that might come up. This means gathering all your documents, preparing your arguments, and practicing what you're going to say. Rehearsing your statements can help you speak more confidently. The more prepared you are, the more confident you'll feel in court. Confidence can make a significant difference in how you are perceived by the judge and others in the courtroom. Additionally, consider seeking advice from legal professionals. Even if you are representing yourself, a consultation can provide valuable insights. Attending workshops or seminars on legal procedures can also be beneficial. These resources can provide practical tips and a better understanding of what to expect. Remember, the key to navigating the courtroom is preparation and understanding. Equip yourself with knowledge and practice, and you'll be better positioned to handle the challenges. With the right strategies, you can navigate the courtroom with greater confidence and effectiveness. Stay calm, stay prepared, and stay informed. Section 5. Case Laws. Understanding the rules of the game. Case laws are previous court decisions that set precedents for future cases. They are essentially the rules of the game when it comes to legal matters.
Understanding relevant case laws can significantly strengthen your position in court. The DOJ letter emphasizes the importance of researching case laws relevant to your situation. It encourages you to find cases where individuals successfully used similar arguments to challenge or modify child support orders.
For example, you might find cases where courts ruled that excessive child support constituted cruel and unusual punishment. Or you might find cases where courts recognized the unconstitutionality of certain child support enforcement practices.
By presenting these case laws in court, you can demonstrate that your arguments are not isolated incidents. You can show that there is a legal basis for your claims. This can make a significant difference in how the judge perceives your case. In most, if not all cases, you should not be paying child support. Stop child support.